Hi guys, welcome to Robotics India. I am Aditya Jain studying in 8th grade and I learned robotics, Arduino and C coding at Robotics India. So today I have made a vault locking system. So this is my vault and inside it I have installed my locking system. So here is the code that I made. And we have a serial monitor on which all the commands from the keypad here are shown. So it is like a display, but I have not fitted it here like an LCD. It's just on the laptop. So when I put the wrong password, that is any password I put, it says wrong password, retry. Now when I put the right password, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, it says welcome. And then the vault is open and you can see here all the installations, and I have taken out this precious mobile. Then when I lock this door back, I just go and press the hashtag button, so you can see hashtag door locked. Now in any case if a burglar comes and tries to put a wrong password, that is this, it won't open. So you can see it does not open. So this is a very safe way, and with many advancements in it, it can be made for many banks. So thanks and please subscribe.